How to turn on LED flash for alerts, how to turn it on and off on the iPhone 14 and 14 series phones. Welcome to When I Had a Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn on flash notification or LED flash for alerts on the iPhone 14. If you guys are not quite sure what the LED flash for alerts is it pretty much notifies you that you got a notification by flashing the light back here on the back of your device. So if you wanted to go ahead and set that up, the way to do that is just by going into settings. Once you are in settings, go ahead and scroll down to accessibility. Go ahead, select that. And then once you've gotten there, go ahead and scroll down till you find audio and visual and select that. Once we are in the audio and visual page, go ahead, scroll to the bottom. Right here, we will see LED flash for alerts. Currently, it is off. All you have to do is select on it, and here it gives you the option to turn it on. So once you turn it on, it should at this point have turned on that feature when you receive say a text message or a call, some kind of notification. It should be flashing on the back side. And if you want it to flash while unlocked, say you're texting or whatever, you're doing something on your phone and you get a notification, if you want it to flash at that time as well, be sure to check that one on. If you want it to flash when it's in silent mode, make sure that's on. If you don't want it, go ahead and turn it off. So down here it says control LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent or device is unlocked. So those two features I just went over. And if for whatever reason your iPhone is not picking up this new setting, it's not doing it, all you have to do is hold your volume up and the side button here, press them together and power the device off, slide to power it off. Once it's been powered off, you can then hit the side button again to power the device back up, and it pretty much just restarts your device, and at that point it should activate and pick up that new setting. And if you're trying to deactivate it and it's not deactivating, once again, make sure to turn the LED flash for alerts off. You'll start off by going into your settings. Once you're in settings, accessibility, scroll down till you see audio visual, and it'll be going to the bottom, flash for alerts. If it's on, be sure to turn it off. So that is how that works. Once again, if it's not turning off, all you got to do is just power off the device while it's in off, power the device off, and then reach and power it back on. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. And if you guys like to see any other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 14, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.